What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, today I wanted to go over the Bitcoin price, the Electroneum price, and the Ethereum price. Lots of stuff going on in the price action, guys, and many alts to be talked about in future videos, guys. I've been getting a lot of requests for alt talk, guys. I'm going to do some research and then get back to you with the technicals on that over the next few weeks. Many inquiries board wide for lots of alts, so I'm going to give that to you guys. And my gosh, guys, if you're not making the money you deserve, you need to jump right over and get signed up to the student program straight away. Links are below. It's just something you guys have to experience to understand. The success rate among the group is just phenomenal. It's actually unbelievable. You actually have to just experience this to really understand. And guys, just for transparency, for a little bit of a reference there, I've had people come from trade school spending, around $100,000 not able to replicate in their school, and then come here and make life-changing gains, guys. The reality is you're just replicating something I'm doing all the time, and that's what makes it happen for you guys. So if you can ride my coattails, you're going to do just fine. And if you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. And guys, I'm going to dive right into the price action. Okay, guys, so I'm going to start with the Electroneum price action. Now, definitely some very cool things going on right here, and definitely have to do a couple remeasurements here for transparency. So let me just draw this out for you guys. Okay, so we definitely have an elongated symmetrical triangle now, guys, still working it very nicely, and many patterns within patterns playing out as well, guys. Let's just go down to the 15-minute and see what we see here. Okay, so nice little double top right here, clear point of support, broke right out of it. Notice you get the 7 and the 20 crossing right before the break. Nice little trade right there. For instance, measured from the top to the point of breakout, and guys, you can clearly see just how perfect this stuff goes. That's the beauty of this. Okay, please understand, target projections really do come true. Okay, let's just draw out the rest of the lines here. We definitely have a little wedge right here, which actually broke down pretty quickly. Okay, and actually right into a little wedge within. Okay, so for instance, it actually went right like this and then broke down. Look at that. And notice the volume right there coming in, shooting it down. Okay, guys, that's how that actually happened like that. And then notice the breakdown. Notice the 7 widening, for instance, with this one, you could pull up the bands. Notice the bands tightening up. Notice barbell theory, okay, coming into play right there. Okay, whenever you see that tightening up after a widening of the bands, you can almost anticipate a move is coming. And then notice the lull in volume prior right to the move, guys. That's what makes it so perfect. Whenever you see that lull in volume, the tightening up, you can almost anticipate a move. Once we break the median on the bands, just ride it. Easy stuff. That's literally the slogan of my page, Ride the Wave. For example, guys, the riding of the wave is right here. When it's in between the 7 and either oversold or within the band. Okay, right there. That's called riding the wave. Okay. Another situation in the bands right here. Okay. Barbell. Same thing. Okay, guys, lots of this all over, guys. That's why I love the Bollinger Bands. They work so nicely. Okay, but let's just turn them off for right now. And then, guys, just more patterns within patterns playing out, guys, okay? Look at all these wedges, okay? Yielding excellent target projections there. You guys know how to measure these at this point. And yes, some of these targets did actually get overshot, but that's okay, guys. Remember, the volatility of crypto and development in coins is going to have that. Just something we have to anticipate. Okay, now right here, I would kind of just call this a little too dirty for me. Like, for instance, it looks like a W. Okay, if I had to put a mark on it. And then the point of resistance, oh boy. I'd say like right there. And then measured from resistance below support, and guys, we punched right through them. We could be getting a little double top right now. Okay, guys, so that's exactly what we're working with. That being said, watch for this to form back up. Maybe we could form a wedge, or for instance, maybe a triangle. You guys get the idea. Okay, that's exactly what we're looking at for Electroneum, guys, but just in simplicity, we break the major resistance, look for a big long. We break the major support, guys, definitely be looking for a short, guys. I think Electroneum is looking very healthy right now. We're getting good pumps, healthy retracements, good movements right out of it, guys. I could not be happier with the price action. Okay, guys, let's talk about the Bitcoin price here. So definitely some very textbook stuff. Nice little W formation. Okay, very textbook right there. Nice point of resistance. Actually, I think that's a little higher. Let me see that here. Something just like that. All right, that's probably where it is right there. And then measured from the major point of resistance to the lowest wick to the point of breakout. And guys, notice that just breaks above the 200, and that's exactly where we got the resistance there. Understand the relevance there, guys. It's just incredible, and lots of wedge play within. Okay, lots of patterns within patterns here, guys. I'm going to save you some time, not go over all of them there, but understand just some really epic movements here, guys. And even just a little, this is actually like an ascending triangle, actually. Look at this. Okay, right out of that, nice little pump, guys. And we're definitely getting a little bit of a wedge right now, as well as possibly even a double top. We got to see how this plays out a little bit. But guys, lots of cool stuff going on in the 15-minute even right now. Okay, guys, so just play your patterns within patterns to understand which way the price action is going in the immediate, guys. Even go down to the 5-minute, go down to the 1-minute, really dice up these patterns, friends. So let me just give you an example of this last set right here. Okay. You guys get the idea. Really dice this up so that you can see where everything's going. Okay, that's how you lock in profits, guys. Now, for instance, this spot right here, I'd actually leave it there, and then something else is starting right now. Maybe another wedge like this. Okay, something like that. If I had to imagine, guys, remember a chain is something very beautiful. You can buy right off of the major support and ride that for some good profits, especially if you're playing with the trend. Okay, guys, easy stuff. Look for the breaks of the major resistances on the patterns as well as supports, and then ride to resistance or support, for instance, to EMA, to newer resistance on the graph. Okay, guys, you guys get the idea there. Let's jump over to Ethereum. All right, now, guys, I'm going to save time here. I mean, look at this. It looks just like Bitcoin. There's not much to talk about here. Okay, this looks exactly the same, basically. Okay, and we could be getting, I'm just going to go to the end right here. There's a few big patterns that we could be looking at here, so maybe something just like this. Okay, pretty dirty, to be honest with you guys. But a big wedge, and then within it, a possible inverse head and shoulders with a very clear point of resistance, guys. Okay, so what I want you guys to do, again, if we break resistance, look for a long. We break support, look for a short, guys. But this is the pattern I'm looking at right now. We're either going to get a rejection or a breakout right now, guys. Get your trades ready on Ethereum. Easy stuff, guys. This is easy stuff. For those of you who haven't signed up to the student program yet, my gosh, this is something you guys have to join and do to get those gains, my gosh. And we're doing a giveaway real soon, just a few more signups, guys. I'm really itching to do this giveaway. I'm going to do this live for you guys to all see. And, oh, man, so many good things to be had in this program, guys. It's just something that you honestly have to experience. I want you guys to really discover financial freedom. And the whole point is to do it at an affordable rate for you guys. And, you know, let's be real. I think if you can't afford this program, maybe trading is just not for you. Like, straight up. I mean, my gosh, I remember starting with some really small funds, turning into a lot. And, you know, if I never took the plunge and even tried, I would have never got there. So, I mean, you guys got to think it's not just going to happen overnight. You're not just going to make $1 million in 5 sessions. It doesn't work like that. You have to put in time, understanding, dedication, a litany of trades to earn that up. Okay, like you could do, what is it? What's the math? I think it's 20,000 trades at like $400 or something. You get the idea. It's massive. Like, you have to do a lot of trading. So understand it comes with time and understanding, and once you understand the technicals, the profits really do roll into. Think of it like reading a book. You can't read the book, you can't understand it. If you can read the book, you understand it. You can read the charts, you can make the money, guys. It's that simple. So if you want to learn how to read like a professional and make the gains you deserve, that's what the student program is all about, guys. Just some amazing times, and we do have even memberships that you can join as well, where I do give calls pretty soon. We only have a tier 1 right now, so you can get priority. For instance, for those of you who wanting altcoin videos, become a member for $5 a month. That will give me the time to be dedicating to those videos. Okay, guys. The reality is I have hundreds of people looking for altcoin talk and videos, and you know, that's not something I can't do all those coins. So guys, become a member. I'll see your member tab right next to your name, and then I will do those videos for you specifically, like literally like it sounds. And guys, you can't afford $5 a month for dedicated videos. You know, I don't know what to say. You're not gonna learn. So understand, guys, I really aim to be different than every other YouTube channel out there. YouTube is not my main thing. Okay, my main thing is day trading and instruction. And YouTube is just a nice way to meet new students and help others. Like, honest to God, YouTube is my way to just give back. YouTube does not make a lot for a lot of people until you have like 100,000 plus subscribers, guys. And as you know, I'm not there yet. So I've only been around a year. I imagine within the next few years I'll get there. But you know what? Until then, I'm focusing on instruction. I'm focusing on helping people discover financial freedom. And I get up YouTube videos as much as I can, hopefully every day, but if not every other day. I mean, that's as good as it gets. And let's be real, guys, when you're trying to discover financial freedom and learn how to trade, having a guide is extremely helpful. And not just that, but the support system we have in Zion is just epic. So guys, if you want to discover financial freedom, reach out to us today at bitcoindeathstar@gmail.com. My buddy Mitch will be happy to send you your onboarding email. Maybe I'll even send you one. And if not, guys, run right over to the website and get signed up straight away. You could literally book your appointment right away. It's that easy. We've made it very simple for you guys. For those of you looking for the downloadable course, at the end of this month, the price will be doubling. Okay, guys? Something you guys want to have. Okay, it just shows you guys every little thing about patterns and how I take my trades, even setting the stop losses, every little thing, guys. Definitely something to be had. And guys, that's all the time I have for today. Just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.